strongest hill. And if you think you like to catch more binturongs, do head down to the Lemonade Trail and see if you can spot them in the dark. And he's heading back out. Now, binturongs have this peculiar scent which makes them smell like either buttered popcorn or pandan leaves. And as you can see, he is jet black in color, so I have no idea where he is at right now. Narnia, are you still here? There he is. Alright, since he is still here, let me state more facts about them. Now, binturongs are arboreal animals, which means they like to live high up in the trees. And there's this thing which is called scent marking. And what they do is that they will wrap their legs on the branch and they will scent mark, they will drag their tails all over the branch to make it their territory. Okay, Naya, I have no more tasty treats for you. Please go home. Goodbye. Very cheeky.
Goodbye here, the goodbye.
Alright. Now, binturongs, I'll just wait for my colleagues to a little story, alright? I have traveled all over the world to look for these animals. In Japan, they are called tanukis. You can spot tanukis naturally everywhere. They are wise, they are cheerful, and despite their really small size, they are actually really powerful. Everyone, this is Maron, our good dog. Maron has been coming to this port to fish for a very long time. And she is a veteran right here at Safari. Now you may be wondering, is she a raccoon, is she a dog, or a little bit of both? Maron is actually more closely related to the family of foxes and wolves instead. The only difference is that she's ivory in the winter. And it looks like she got what she was looking for. Everyone, let's say bye now. Just for their
Hi everyone!
Hi, Eugene. I'm sure you know who is making that sound.
Yes, indeed I do. So that sound you are hearing is coming from one of our Malay fish owls. Her name is Midnight. And I think I saw her right over there.
Oh, right up there, everyone. Midnight or the Language Owl with our bird trainer, Norman. Now, the Language Owls love planting near water beds, so they wait there very patiently for their prey to swim by. Midnight was born and hatched right here in Singapore in the former Jurong Bird Park, now known as Bird Paradise. There she goes! Wow, Midnight, amazing flight! Malay owls are also known as bumpy-fish owls, and they are actually one of the most commonly found owl species that you can find right here in sunny Singapore. Is that right, Eugene?
You're absolutely right. I think I think so too. So my profile about Midnight are that our owls have wings. They are super soft, and when they fly, it's so quiet, the rest of the day can't hear them coming. That's why owls and Midnight are called friends of farmers. They help to keep the bird population in check.
I guess she agrees too. Friends or farmers, I like the sound of that. Alright, everyone, that's all the time we have for Eugene and Midnight. Let's give her a round of applause. Alright, on the topic of owls, there is something else. Hi, Jasper.
Hello everyone. need to rotate their heads around this way.
Rotate their heads. Alright, everyone, I'm gonna ask you a question, and if you know the answer, what's the correct answer?
No, I'm not going to tell you just yet. Take a look at the stars.
Alright, online on our screen. Check that out. Jasper, I think it was a little bit too fast. Do you want to say it one more time?
पूरा मुंडी घुमा देता है
Check that out. Alright, the correct answer is actually 270 degrees. Welcome to anyone that got that right. Now the reason as to why owls are able to do that is because they have double the amount of neck vertebrae compared to us. We only have 7, while they have a stunning 14. And it looks like they're ready to head on. Let's give them a round of applause.
Thank you, everyone.
Whoa. Check that out. Now, as I said earlier, they are one of the largest owls in the world, so their wingspan can actually reach up to 1.8 meters in length, which is way taller than I am. Just in case you guys missed that, really cool, it's really, really cool, but usually, okay, everyone, and one step, please remain in your seats. It's just Foxtrot. I'll have you look at them on Friday when I walk through our demonstrator shop.
नाम बड़े दर्शन छोटे
Alright, take a look at Foxtrot, but do not underestimate him. Those gigantic heads like yours are like his personal air conditioning system. Cool is the hot desert. Check that out. They are also really fast and agile moving creatures, being able to jump, leap, hop, changing directions very, very quickly. Makes it very hard to catch them. And look at him sniffing around, hoping that there is a tasty treat for him. Foxtrot, I think the pigs took it all, but okay. Sensitive. Check that out! How about the Foxtrot? Super agile, very fast. Now, because they really are so gigantic, right? They are able to hear their presence deep underground. They also have very long, sharp, curved claws, which helps them dig really quickly for their prey. They are very. Okay, they look like they're ready to head on and on. Bye-bye. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you, Foxtrot. So, dogs and dogs, but they are not pets. They are wild animals.
cage में
So let's treat them with more kindness. Alright, our quick trip to Africa has ended. Here, right here, for you. Bye. Hi, Indra. Well, take a look at his queue. It looks really gigantic, right?
कांटा छोड़ता
But
है
check
वही
it
ना
out. Collapsible quills. Now this hello. Please follow me. Now these collapsible quills have been sheltered in burrows and logs during the hot days in the summer. They're also one of are the sharpest parts of his quills, and to attack, he'll just back really quickly, his enemy. And it looks like they're ready to head home. Let's give them a round of applause. Here's Shaka.
नजर आता है लोग चीखते उठा करके रगड़ देते हैं।
Hyenas have powerful jaws, able to hunt animals such as elephants.
उसका खाना उधर डाला हुआ है।
They crush the bones of the elephants. They also have powerful digestive systems, being able to digest bones and the skins of the buffaloes. Humans, as we take up more land and deliver poison, hunted, and killed. Now let's remember that they deserve our protection. Tonight we have met so many beautiful and charismatic animals, but there are so many more we may never get to see again.
ट्रेन जरा कशी ट्रेन अशी
The animals you met tonight and countless others share this planet with us. They take what they need and live in harmony with nature. We humans must learn to do the same. We all have only one home, Earth. And it is our job to protect it. Each of us can make a difference because the biggest threat to our planet